Operating instructions. Factory settings. Enter 1 to unlock. Password modification. Users can enter old password plus OK plus OK plus new password plus OK to modify password. The long sound indicates success. Then users can use the new password to unlock. After entering the wrong password 3 times, the lock will alert for 10 to 15 seconds. Users can enter the correct password to deactivate the alert, or wait it to stop. Forget password. Download app to get decoding service. XiaoBo app operating instruction. Download XiaoBo app and create an account. Enter XiaoBo app. Add device. Click plus button. Choose manually add. Input the lock's nickname as encode and reg code. As encode is on right side of the lock. Reg code is on left side of the lock, which is covered by the layer. Complete the steps above and click Add. Go back to the home page and refresh. We will see the added lock. Get temporary code. Click the device and get temporary unlock password. Then users can input the temporary password to unlock. Factory reset. Click Edit and get recovery password. Then users can input the recovery password to initialize. After initialization, the default password is 1. Users can input 1 to unlock. Remove device. Click Lock Delete and confirm.